please.
Is that on?
Just do as you're told.
Did he switch it on?
Of course it's on. Like, you can just repeat after me, because if I tell you what to say, you're either going to be awkward, like you normally are, or you're not going to say it on purpose, or you'll get it wrong. So it's like a double whammy attack.
I'm standing up straight, I'm listening.
These videos me and Carl have done.
Yes. Yeah? These videos me and Carl have done.
We're up to 700.
We're up to 700
odd subscribers.
Odd subscribers.
Yeah, we need 1,000.
We need at least 1,000. We probably want 1 million.
Yeah, 1,000 plus.
Just imagine I'm Maya Jama.
Yeah, and also...
Was it difficult for you? No, it wasn't.
And also, we need a few more viewing hours. We're up to 1,500 viewing hours so far this year.
Yes.
We need 4,000.
So we need 4,000 viewing hours,
yeah,
so keep watching.
If we can get both of those, more subscribers, more viewing hours, we can monetize the videos. Admittedly, it's going to be a pittance, pennies, but it's just a bit of a challenge. So, we want people to share our videos with as many people as possible.
Yes, we want people to share these videos with as many people as possible because
this isn't really going to plan, but okay, so more subscribers, more viewing hours.
More viewing hours.
Put a video on, just press play, don't even watch it. I wouldn't bother.
I wouldn't watch it.
Yeah, but that's one way of doing it.
Yes.
Play them again, go through all of them, press play, and just walk away.
And we'll end up with at least £5 between us. So risk beyond our wildest.
I'm not sharing a penny with you, Doug. You've got too much money already. Anyway, Doug, thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye, viewers. Bye-bye.